Hello, this is DAPU Machinery. Today we are going to show you our new designed high-speed expanded metal mesh machine. It is totally designed according with the European technology. Let me show you more details. This is 160 tons of machine. The material feeding from servo motor. We use Delta brand, and for this part you can feed by panel or also feed by coils. It will be sending from this part controlled by servo motor. The material catching by pneumatic. Every one have 7 tons of pressure, so it can be firmly catching. And this part is controlled by the air switch. You can turn it, and the catching will up and down. And also you can control the position of material by this part. It can losing the screws to make it holding the edge of the material, so it will not moving when sending. This is the lubrication system. It can lubrication all of the parts into the machine. You can see all of the tubes on the punching part is for inside the bearings, the screws. All of them are lubrication automatically. For this part, it can use over 1 year for adding the lubrication. The feet of the machine can match the factory ground. If there is any fluence place, you can adjust it to make the machine more stable. The upper and the lower part on machine are all steel, not normal iron. It's steel. This one can make the machine more precise, and every part working together will be more stable. All of the cutters are alloy, can using for longer and holding the high speed. The upper cutter fixed by the screws. It has no holes on the cutter, and the screws will fix it on the machine. This is the heating system. When in the cold area or the temperature is low, it can preheating the lubrication system. Then it will feed into the material to make it work better. There is no holes on our cutter, and it can use on small tons of machine, also big tons of machine. Both can be used. We can also use other factories cutter on our machine. No need to change. The servo motor for left and right is 7 kilowatt. The material feeding servo motor is 5.5 kilowatt. Both of these motors are servo motor. Use Delta brand from Taiwan. The main motor is 75 kilowatt. The heating system is 2.5 kilowatt. So the total machine uses 90 kilowatt. The machine width is 2.5 meter, and the speed can reach 160 times per minute. Mesh thickness maximum can be 8 mm. The LWD maximum can be 120, and SWD maximum 60. Minimum can be 10 by 5. So you can make different size with this machine. You can setting the machine working speed, also the strength width, the SWD on the touch screen as your need. You can setting several groups. When you're working it, you can setting it on or off. So no need to insert the parameter again. And also it will show how many punches it will punch and how many punches it already punched, and also other speed. This is the alarming system. When the machine is overheat or there is any problem of machine, it will show the problem and stop the machine. When the problem solved, the machine can keep working. When there is problem, the light will show warning the worker. After solving the problem, the mesh can keep working, no effect to the whole product. This is the voltage and current on the machine. It will show whether your working condition is stable, and you can check in with it. We use Schneider air switch and Schneider power supply, Delta PLC, Schneider relay, Delta braking unit, also other Schneider electric components, and 2 Delta servo motor for feeding the material, and also Delta inverter for the main motor. All of the electric cables have numbers on it. You can connect according to it. And on the machine there is plug pins. The customer can conveniently connect the machine very quick.